Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the 6th video of Modulus that we are making. We will try to wind up the Modulus in this video. We will be showing you the remaining part, the basic Modulus part. If you have not seen the earlier videos, I'll request you to watch those initial 5 parts and then come back to this video. So let us see what we did in our earlier video was we solved graphically y is equal to mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 3, and this is the graph that formed. So let us understand what is the question that comes with which we can use this application. So we had drawn the graph of y is equal to mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 3, and what was the graph? If you have not seen the earlier videos, do watch them and then you can carry on with this. So this was the graph that we had drawn, and this point was 2, and this was cutting the y-axis at 4, and this was the line. And also I'll tell you the equation of this line was y is equal to 2x minus 4. The equation of this line was y is equal to 2, and the equation of this line was y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Simply, this is y is equal to 2x minus 4, just put a minus in front, so y is equal to this becomes positive 4 minus 2x. So this is y is equal to 4 minus 2x. In these kind of problems, the equation of this line, if you want to find the equation of this line from this, so simply put a minus and you will get this. And this is y is equal to 2. I'll teach you some tricks how you can quickly solve this problem later on in this video. So say for example, I'll show you one application of this video. Somebody asks you mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 3 equals 4, say for example. Find the number of solutions of this. I have taught you to solve these problems. For these kind of problems, what you have to do is you have to plot this graph, you have to plot this graph separately, and you have to see at how many points these two parts intersect. So one graph is y is equal to mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 3, another is y is equal to 4. So you have to plot both of these. This graph is already plotted over here. This is the graph of this. Y is equal to 4 you have to plot. So let me plot y is equal to 4. So this is 4. So this line will be y is equal to 4. This line is y is equal to 4. Somebody is asking you number of solution. At how many points this blue cuts this violet? At this point and at this point. So number of solution is 2. And what are the values of x? So one point you can see already over here. For here x is equal to 0. So one value of x is 0. What is the other value of x? So basically you have to find this point. You have to find the value of x over here. So simply what you have to do, this is y is equal to 4 and this is intersecting which line? 2x minus 4. So you have to simultaneously solve this equation. Y is equal to 2x minus 4, where y is equal to 4. So 2x minus 4. So 2x equals 8 and x equals 4. So this point is x is equal to 4. So what are the two solutions? One is x is equal to 0 and another is x is equal to 4. This was a very simple problem you saw. Say for example, I'll show it here only. So you saw this example. Somebody asks you the questions mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 3 equals 2. Not 2. Let's take 1 first. Is equal to 1. Find the number of solutions. For this, you have to draw this graph, which is already drawn over here. And another is y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 will lie somewhere over here. This is the equation of y is equal to 1. Is this cutting anywhere on this line? Modulus? Nowhere, right? So there will be no solution for this. You will get no solution of x for this. Very simple. If somebody asks you, so I am solving this question only. If somebody asks you mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 3 equals say 0, say minus 2, minus 3, all these lines will be like this, these lines. So there will be no solutions. But if somebody asks you, say for example is equal to 2, so y is equal to this is already drawn, y is equal to 2 you have to draw. Which line is y is equal to 2? This line is y is equal to 2. At how many points is this cutting this graph? At several points. At all the values of x lying in between 1 and 3, this is cutting. So for this question, what will be the value of x? So x will belong to 1 till 3. So at these values, so put any value of x. Say for example, 1 and 3, let me put 2, value of 2. So if I put 2 over here, how much will you get? 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 1 is 1, so this you are getting 2. Yeah, so it's correct. So 2 can be one value. So x, so how many solutions? Infinite number of solutions will be here for this equation. For this equation, there will be no solution. If this is minus 1, this is minus 4, this is minus 8, there will be no solution. And if there is, say for example, mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 3 equals 4, say it is equal 5, it is equal 6, you will get 2 solutions each. And there will be different values of x. So you can find it out from here. So you saw with the help of this example, so many problems and applications I have shown for the graph, this one. Let me take some other example and some quick techniques to solve this problem. So let's see how you can solve this problem quickly. Simply what you have to do, x minus 1 is there, x minus 3 is there. Equate this to 0, you get x is equal to plus 1. Equate this to 0, you get x equal to x equal to plus 3. Plot it on the number line 1, 3. You got it? Now you have to find some values. So from some values x is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1, what are you getting? Value of y, put it over here. You are getting y is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 3, you are also getting y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1 you put over here, this is 0, 1 minus 2, so you get 2 over here. X is equal to 3 you put, so this part gets cancelled and you get 2. And also you find what is the value of x at x is equal to 0, what is the value of y. So at x is equal to 0, value of y will be 4. Put the value of x is equal to 0, 4. Simple, plot the graph. You get 3 points, you plot the graph from here. So the graph will look like this. You have to quickly find the equation of this line. What you have to do? Remove mod. So y is equal to remove mod x minus 1 plus x minus 3. So what is this? 2x minus 4. So this line equation is y is equal to 2x minus 4. What is the equation of this line? Y is equal to 2. Same values that you have got for x is equal to 1 and 3, that will be the equation of this line. What will be the equation of this line? I already told you, just simply put a minus in front of this. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 4. So this equation of this line is y is equal to minus 2x plus 4. Done. And you have already seen the application of this video in the previous part. Let me show you some quick examples of how to draw the graph. Say somebody is asking you y is equal to mod x plus 1 plus mod x minus 4. How will you do? Critical points. What are the critical points? X plus 1 equals 0. So x is equal to minus 1. X minus 4 equals 0. X is equal to plus 4. These are the two critical points. Quickly you have to draw the graph. So I am quickly drawing it. So this is the graph. This is x axis. This is y axis. X is equal to minus 1 is here. X is equal to plus 4 somewhere here. What you have to do? You have to find three values. Values of this equation at x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 4 and at x is equal to 0. First I will take x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, y is equal to how much? X 0, put x 0, 0. So this is 1 plus 0. So minus 4. So minus 4 mod of minus 4 will be 4. So y will be 5. Put x is equal to minus 1. If you put x is equal to minus 1, the value of y will be how much? So minus 1, this will part get cancelled, this will be 5. Similarly, if you put x is equal to 4, this part goes away, x 4 plus 1, 5. So this will be 5. So at all points it is 5. You can see it clearly from here also. So value of y is 5. So this is 5, say for example, so this is the graph. Simple, this line will be this and this side will be this. What will be the equation of this line? You have to find out. So equation of this line is y is equal to 5 when x lies in between minus 1 and 4. What will be the equation of this line? I already taught you, remove the mod. So y is equal to x plus 1 plus x minus 4. So 2x minus 3. Equation of this line is y is equal to 2x minus 3. What will be the equation of this line? Already told you, put a minus in front of this. So y is equal to 3 minus 2x. The equation of this line is y is equal to 3 minus 2x if x is less than 1. If x is between minus 1 and 4, y is equal to 5. If x is more than 4, y is equal to 2x minus 3. As simple as that. Somebody now, if they ask you, for example, find what is the value, how many solution of x if mod x plus 1 plus mod x minus 4 equals, say for example, 2. Somebody is giving you this. You have to draw this graph. You have to draw y is equal to 2. This graph is already drawn there. Y is equal to 2 will lie somewhere over here. This will be 2. How many solutions? This will have no solution. Simple. I am not going more into this because I have already taught it earlier how you can solve this problem. Before going into that, let me tell you that root 1 is equal to plus minus 1. Many a times you must have seen people or your teachers, even teachers writing this, root 1 equals plus minus 1. This is incorrect. Root 1 is always plus 1. This is correct. So this symbol means a positive square root. This symbol means positive square root. and this symbol means negative square root. So understand, if somebody is giving you root x, you cannot write it as plus minus x. It will be always plus x. What you can write is, you can replace it with mod x. Already we saw the function of x. So this is x square, sorry. So if you write it 1, the square root was 1. So for x square, if somebody gives you, you cannot write it plus minus x. If somebody gives you root x square, you can write it as mod x, not plus minus x. Don't make that mistake. This will be equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0. And this will be equal to minus x if x is less than 0. We already saw this in earlier videos. I think it is very clear to you. And let me give you an example over here. Example is minus 1 whole square. So this will be what? You can write it as mod of minus 1, and this will fetch you as 1. Very clear about this? So this was just an example of what I said earlier. So you have to keep this in mind. We'll use mod, we'll use square root, and application we will do to solve a simple but very important question that has already come in joint entrance exam. So let us solve this problem. Mod of x square minus 1 plus x minus 1 whole square plus square root of x square minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. This is a very, very important question, and that will clear all your misconceptions, all your doubts. So conceptually, you have to be very strong over here. So now understand what I said. So mod of some value, inside part can be negative, inside part can be positive. Already we have seen 5-6 videos of these. So this part can be positive, negative. But if we apply mod, the entire part will become positive. Correct? This is x minus 1 whole square. So if we square some positive or negative number, it always becomes what? Positive. And this is square root plus square root. So this is positive square root. So this value is also positive. Now see this question. 3 positive numbers we are adding and we are getting 0. When is it possible? Just think for 2-3 seconds. I'll hold on. 3 positive numbers we are adding up to 0. When is this possible? This is only possible when individually they are 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Together they are 0, then you will get 0. So this is the crux of this problem. So simply what I will do, mod x square minus 1 equals 0. This is one case. X minus 1 whole square equals 0. This is another case. And what is the third case? X square minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. This is the third case. Now I will solve this problem. Simply you can remove mod over here. X square equals 1. X equals what? Plus minus 1. Simple over here. X is plus minus 1. X minus 1 whole square equals 0. So what is the value of x over here? X is 1 and 1. So these are two values of 1. X is plus 1, x is minus 1. Here if you see, you can remove the square root. X square minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So here if you see, x is what? 1 and 2. You must have solved this by factorial method. I am not going to this because you have already done it in lower classes. So x is equal to 1 and 2, x is equal to 1, 1, x is equal to plus 1 minus 1. So what is the common solution between 3? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. This is the common solution. So x is equal to plus 1 is the answer for this question. This has only one solution, which is x is equal to 1. Very simple question. This is very important. Let us see some similar question. Mod x plus 1 plus square root of x minus 1 equals 0. Similar type of question. Positive, positive, adding up to 0. When is this possible? X plus 1 mod equals 0. Square root x minus 1 equals 0. Over here if you see, x is equal to what? X is equal to minus 1. If you see here, x is equal to 1. So x is minus 1, x is plus 1. There are no common solution. Hence it will have no solution. This question will have no solutions because simultaneously both of them will have to be individually 0, which is not happening. So we are not getting any common solutions over here. There are nothing common. So what you will do, we will get no solution over here. So from this part, I am ending modulus. The basics of modulus I am ending with this. This is the 6th video. And further, let us solve some more problems in coming videos, which will be not related to modulus. We'll move eventually into functions and calculus. Till then, if you have liked the videos, do subscribe to our channel. Do comment if you have any doubts. Till then, goodbye. We'll see you in the next video.